Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I will show you exactly how to get an invoice from your Kohl's account. Step by step and super easy. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to the official Kohl's website. That's kohls.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for the Contact Us section. Click on that and then choose the Ask Me option in the bottom right corner of the Help Center. This will open up Kohl's virtual assistant, a chatbot that's there to help with customer service questions. Now just type in a message saying you need an invoice for a previous order. The chatbot will either walk you through the process or connect you to a live or live representative. Once connected, the representative will help you retrieve and download the invoice for your purchase. And that's it. Quick, simple, and it works 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out more our easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.